gentlemen, welcome to DalePaulSlots. We're going to play a little bit of Wolf Run Goal, probably one of my most requested of all the slots. Let's see, we have $625.51 in there. We'll go with $1.80 bet. And let's see what the Wolf has for us. We are at the Bay Mills Casino and Resort in beautiful Brimley, Michigan. Those that haven't played this before, of course, your free bonuses. Oh, and it just went by. Your premium symbols obviously are your wolves, and the black wolves up there, and the moon is wild. Ooh, a lot of white wolves, but couldn't get them to connect. Come on. As I explained before, as I played this, there are no mini, minors, majors, grands, nothing. It's all line hits. And when you get a screen of wilds, it pays very well. Okay, some. Wasted wilds. Sometimes the wolf will just run across the screen and give you a bonus. Bounce around a little bit on the denominations. Actually, we'll do a little bit of stair stepping here. See what he likes. There we go. All right. That's on maximum bet too, so that's not bad placement. Let's get another wild in there. I get a respin if I do. Oh, there we go. We got one down there. So we get a respin. We get another wolf. Come on. One more gold wolf. Okay, same thing. Okay, $24. There he is. Over. There you go. Oh, yeah. It could be good. There's another wild. Come on. Yes. Okay. I didn't get another gold, but I did get a massive win. I'm going to let this, ladies and gentlemen, normally I don't let it count up, but I'm going to for a thumbnail because it is a big win. Okay, $160. Let's see what else we can do with that. Wasted Wilds. We're at the Bay Mills Casino and Resort in beautiful Brimley, Michigan. There we go, a little bit. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Thought we had it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's play this down to $600 or the next bonus. There it is. Come on. Oh, placement's not the greatest. Come on, we need another wild in here. Gold wild. Okay. $20. wasn't really a good bonus. Let's play it down to the 600. Or a good bonus. Not bad, $10 all the way across. I'd like to get into the bonus. Money back. There we go. Okay. Up front, up front, up front, up front. All of them up front. Okay. Could be good if we get one more of the gold for a respin. Oh, it just went by. $22. Trying to get into a bonus, show you what it's like. He's active, there's no question about it. Two, I need three. Place the cloud. Oh, that bonus is trying so hard. Couple spins left, ladies and gentlemen. Two spins, maybe one, I don't know, let's see, no, two spins. Okay. Two spins. Last spin, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by DalePaulSlots. Yeah, the wolf was really good to us today. Hit some really nice hits. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, that little cowboy there, just tap on that and hit subscribe. It helps my channel out quite a bit. And may your slot be hot.